Tell me what we're there now? We are at where now?
My father, my father will stay with.
Alright, so Ushpa, if people want to reach out to you and get things to you, get supplies to you, Ushpa, how them can find you?
The same place, yeah.
Yeah, where is this? Tell me, man, so this me I do a video. You don't know the name and location? Alright. I'm gonna try to find it still. But you say you don't have no phone. So if somebody try to call you, you can't call you.
No phone at all, so I don't need one.
Okay. And this is the condition of everything right now. Everything mash up.
Everything.
And this is who you say now?
This is
The gentleman right here, my who?
my father.
Oh, your father? And I just you and your father there?
Yeah.
Okay. Everything for them mash up. They never really have nothing.
Alright, check him picture. Take you.
Which part of your place there? Which part of your place there? Oh, which part? Oh, your house. Which part of your house did there?
Right there, sir. Where's the drum there?
Where the drum did there? But everything gone.
Yeah, everything.
Look at the tree drop on it.
No, breeze.
The breeze take it away.
If the tree will drop on the moon, have no Z.
Alright, tell me something. You have phone?
Me have a phone on the machine.
Oh, so you can't receive my call if somebody try to reach out to you.
So
Alright,
what number you can leave with me?
Hold on. How if somebody try to find this location right here, what the address? What them to look out for?
My name is David. David Sukram.
And what they say?
David Sukram, my name.
David Sukram.
Yes.
And then what location? How somebody find you?
Well, just about every day I'm right here. When I live here.
So you know the name right there, sir?
Yeah, and I call it, yeah. Out of the gas station and call it Ferris and the blue hole, the right, that's what they call right here, it's a blue hole.
Ferris Blue Hole.
Yeah. But you can't just say Ferris.
Here, the address.
Alright. And then where you and them know you if them say look if them for ask you
ask
there.
David, man.
David.
Anywhere for the gas station, just ask David.
And what things you would have need
them,
if somebody reach out to you?
Right? Well, we can't me short up some nail and anything.
Neil, because you want to start knock up back everything.
Yeah, because me clean up back the place. If I see them there, all of them they clean up.
Yeah, clean up.
All of them both are clean up. All
Yeah.
will come out of them. That's all. And me get back 9 sheets of machine.
Yeah.
So,
Alright people, so him need mainly building materials, so
yes.
so he can knock up back him things so he can sleep
Yeah, man.
inside somewhere
Yeah,
at night time.
Yeah, man. But